Old good, new bad. Yet another phrase people throw at you when they don't want to engage with criticism. They know what they're doing. Old does not mean good, new does not mean bad, but of course they know that's not what's being said. There are old games that were trash when they came out and are still trash now. There are new games that are excellent and deserve every bit of praise they get. The issue is not age, it is quality. Does the new thing even understand what made the old things work? Because when people compare modern entries to older ones, they are usually not saying, this is bad because it is new. They are saying, the old thing was better, and that is a completely different argument. If the old thing had better mechanics, better pacing, better writing, better cinematography, better characters, better atmosphere, better replay value, better art, better respect for the player's intelligence, better respect for the player's time, etc., then pointing that out is not nostalgia. It is comparison, especially for a reboot, sequel, or rehash. A franchise using the same name, same logo, same characters, same iconography, and same legacy does not get to turn around and say, stop comparing us to the thing we're borrowing from. Contrary to popular belief, regression can be measured. And in the cases that it can't, it can still be demonstrated. And this is where old good, new bad becomes such a dishonest response. So why make such a non-argument in the first place? Because instead of explaining why the new thing is better, it is easier to pretend the critic is irrational. Instead of defending the writing, the mechanics, the pacing, the features, the art direction, the tone, or the value, it is easier to reduce the entire criticism to you just hate new things. They are not responding to your argument, they are replacing your argument with a dumber one that is easier to dismiss. Because old good, new bad is easy to mock. But the older entry had stronger design priorities, more complete features, better pacing, clearer identity, and more respect for player agency is a lot harder to refute. They can pretend for as long as they want that the past is nothing more than a distant memory, but they can't do the same for the consequences. Erasure works both ways. The layoffs will continue until the market improves. Defund the decline.